What up? Tyler here, TarverAcademy.com, and I want to show you what a stem and leaf plot is. A stem and leaf plot, in my opinion, I don't like them, but I'm going to teach them to you anyways because I like you and I want you to learn math. So essentially what that is, think of like think of a tree. You've got, or like a stick that falls off a tree. You've got your stem, and each stem has like a bunch of little leaves on it. So like your stem is your main core, and then the leaves are like the end. It's like the last little bit. So what a stem and leaf plot is, you take a line, and then you take your last number, and you put it off to the right, and then you always stack it behind whatever the other two numbers are. So let's say you've got 81, 71, 72, 90, and then 75. Okay? What I want to do is essentially I'm splitting it right back behind the last number. Okay? So on the right side, that's going to go on the right side of my line. And over here, I'm essentially summarizing what they are. So I'm going to start with the lowest number, which is 7. And so I'm going to put a 7 here. Now I want to attach every number over here that's attached to that 7. So right here, we got 7, 1. And I'm going to do them in order. So next would be 7, 2. Last one is 7, 5. Okay, so I've got my 7s X'd out. Next, we'll start with 8. That's the next one down. So 8. And it's only got a 1. And there's no more. Next is 9, and it's got a 0. You just made a stem and leaf plot. Again, why? I'm sure there's a reason, but it's math, and I don't know the reason on this one. I don't ever use them. I teach it, and then I proceed not to use them because you just don't see them that much. You want to do an example problem? I feel like that was really easy. So let's do an example problem. Let's say we've got. Okay, this will be good. I've got 18.6, 18.4, 17.3, 16.1, 17.9, and 18.2. Okay? Again, I take that last bit, and that's where I cut it. Man, you got to cut it! Whatever. Okay, so I'm going to take my lowest number here on the left, which is 16. I'm going to put it up here. The right side of a stem and leaf plot is just the last digit, okay? So we've got 1. Are there any other 16s? No. Next lowest number is 17. I'll put 17 there. I've got a 3 and a 9. 3 is lower, so I'll start with it, and then 9. Mark those out. Last step's 18. Got 1, 2, 3 of those. The lowest is 2, so 18 and 2. Next is 4, and the last is 6. That's a stem and leaf plot, pretty basic stem and leaf plot, mainly just because I don't like to talk about them, okay? It's like an ex-girlfriend. You just don't want to talk about it. It's like, it's in the past, man. I just don't want to talk about it anymore. Oh, hey, it's me, Michael Jordan, Shoemaker. I want you to know that if you don't click that little circle there to subscribe, then you won't ever find your true love. That's a fact. It's like an email chain letter. If you're not 45 years old, you will not get that joke. Not important. But click that. Anyways, I'll wait.